So now kita akan belajar to the next subtopic, iaitu 1.2 Financial Statements, Basis of Analysis Business Activities. Okay, so business activities ni ada 4, iaitu planning, investing, finance and operating. Okay, so kita akan tengok keempat-empat activities ni. Apa benda sebenarnya. Okay, so first kita akan tengok dalam planning activities. So planning activities, it consists of company objective and tactics, market demands, competitive analysis, sales strategies, management performance and financial projections. Okay, information can be in the form of financial statements, press release, industry publications analysis, newsletters and financial press. So planning ni basically dia plan lah untuk business dia. Biasanya semuanya akan ada dalam business plan. Okay, for further information, I nak you baca page 15 ya, daripada sini company school ni sampai sini. Ni je paragraph 1 ni je untuk planning activities, and then you all buat short notes. Okay, sebab bab tu ni hanyalah MCQ saja. Alright, so kita akan pergi kepada next activities, that is financing activities. Okay, so financing activities is a method that companies use to raise the money to pay for its employees, market campaigns, research and development. So there are two main sources of external financing, that are equity investors and creditors. Okay, so now you all refer buku teks page 17 page 16. So kalau dekat PDF tu 36 lah. Okay, so apa yang you perlu tahu this one. Okay, financing activities refers to methods that companies use to raise the money to pay for their needs. Okay, and there are two main sources of external financing, equity investors and creditors. So equity investors, also called owners or shareholders. Creditor is the lenders lah. Okay, equity investors are major source of financing. Kena ada dua, equity dan juga creditors. So antara dua financing ni, equity ialah main source of financing untuk setiap company. Okay, investor provide financing in a desire for a return on their investment. Okay, so bila equity investor ni shareholder lah, dia invest, dia dah pun tengok kita punya expected return and risk. Sebab in return, bila diorang invest, maksudnya bila diorang bagi duit kepada sesebuah company, mesti dia pun expect something. Of course, dia akan dapat dividend. Return is the equity investors' share of company earnings in the form of either earnings distribution or earnings reinvestment. Okay, so return yang equity shareholder akan dapat sama ada earning distribution or earning reinvestment. Okay, so this one you boleh baca sini sampai sini. Okay, baca. Okay, lepas tu kita akan pergi kepada creditors. Companies also obtain financing from creditors. Creditors are there are two types of creditors. First, debt creditors. Second is the operating creditors. So debt creditors ni who directly lend money to the company. Contoh dia macam bank bagi kita loan. So itu bank ialah debt creditors kita. Operating creditors ni macam supplier, okay? Sebab kata to whom the company owes money as part of its operation. Kalau supplier, kita beli barang secara hutang kan. So sebab itu dia akan jadi operating creditors. Barang yang kita ambil dari supplier itu kita akan jual as our operating activities. Okay. Okay, so you pun boleh baca ni semua. Okay, sampai sini you boleh baca. So ini creditors financing different from equity financing. Okay, baca juga situ je. Okay, next ialah investing activities. Okay, investing activities refer to a company's acquisitions and maintenance of investment for purposes of selling products and providing services, and for the purpose of investing excess cash. Ni, invest activity ialah a company's acquisition and maintenance of investment. Untuk apa? For selling products and providing services. Okay, dan dia juga invest untuk dapatkan excess cash. Okay, a company can invest in land and buildings, equipment, legal rights, inventories, human capital, and information system for conducting business operation. Okay, contoh macam kita pun kita boleh buat investment kan. Kita ada ASB, kita ada saham, unit trust, okay. So of course kita invest pun untuk dapat access of cash. Sama juga dengan company. Company invest dalam pembelian tanah. Pembelian tanah tu untuk apa? Untuk digunakan untuk pemasaran dia. So kenapa kat sini dia kata human capital? Kenapa company invest in human capital? Because human capital is their employees. So they invest bagi gaji. Itu pun investment. Gaji, bonus. Okay, itu investment. Tapi bila dia invest dalam operating for conducting the business operation, so investment tu kita panggil sebagai operating asset. This one dia kata called operating asset. Companies often temporarily or permanently invest excess cash in securities such as other companies' equity stock and government bonds and money market funds. Okay, selain dia invest dalam untuk operating asset dia pun invest dalam equity stock. Okay, dia pun beli saham company lain, invest dalam government bond, dia invest dalam money market fund. Okay, so semua investment ni dipanggil sebagai financial asset. Sebab dia bukan invest untuk diri dia. Kalau invest untuk diri dia, untuk company dia, untuk operating activities dia, kita akan call it as operating asset. Okay, so investing activities ni ada dua lah jenis investment, you perlu tahu. Sama ada dia invest dalam operating asset ataupun financial asset. Okay, and then next yang you perlu tahu is, okay, investment in short terms asset are called current asset. You tahu dah ni. Okay, expected to be apa itu non-current asset and current asset. Semua tu berada dalam investing activities. So last ialah operating activities. Operating activities, apa yang you perlu tahu is this one. Operating activities is a company's primary source of earnings. It refers to carrying out the business plan. Okay, and it involves in research and development, procurement, production, marketing, and administration. Okay, so operating activities ni involve at least dalam 5 possible component ni sahaja. Itu je yang you all perlu tahu. So I rasa okay je kan. Planning activities, of course you know, tahu plan, so ingatlah business plan. Financial activities ada 2, iaitu equity investor ataupun creditors. Apa itu equity investor, apa itu creditors, diorang dapat apa, and then which one yang lebih banyak digunakan. Of course lah equity investor. And then dalam investing activities ada 2 jugalah. You perlu tahu operating asset and financial asset. Lepas tu ada current asset, non-current asset, bawah investing activities. Okay, and then operating activities ni dia ialah primary source. Okay, ialah maksudnya business you akan dapat hasil pulangan tu daripada operating activities. Obviously it's supposed to be, okay. So ada 5 je components dalam operating activities, iaitu R&D, procurement, production, marketing and administration. So that's all for 1.2. For subtopic 1.2, financial statements, basis of analysis.